All right then. So in order to work with the README file over here to showcase your work, what exactly that you're doing and all these stuffs, right? So all you have to do is to first create a Git README file. So in the root folder, I'm going to create a new file called README.md, right? And inside this file, this is how I can showcase my work. Before moving into this, you need to understand the GitHub formatting. So let's say GitHub README formatting, search for that. They have a very specific documentations like how can you add the headings, subheadings, third level subheadings, and how can you add the quotations, codes, links, and all these stuffs, right? These, how can you add the bold text, italic text, and all these stuffs. See, coding. So all you have to do is to follow the structure. Like how can I do that? So just I have to do use if I wish to add the code, I can simply use the greater than symbol, then type the text. This is how it looks in the preview mode, right? All you have to do is to just follow this. But in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the ChatGPT and I'm going to use this AI tool and I'm going to explain the project, what we did, and ask the ChatGPT to give me the raw README file code so I can directly paste it. Later we can make some modifications. Okay, so I'm just going to say, hey ChatGPT, you are an excellent content creator. I need you to generate a GitHub README file, raw file, a raw formatting file, raw formatted file to copy and paste on my local readme.md file. Basically, the project is all about UI elements, building UI elements, just by using plain HTML, CSS, and keyframes animations. Give me a brief about this repo and what it does have. We have 15 different project folder inside it. So that is going to give us this. So it's giving the preview. So we need to ask this. We don't need the preview. We need the raw format. I don't need the preview. I need the raw GitHub formatting code. That it's giving all those stuffs like adding the headings, subheadings, all the necessary stuffs and everything. And yeah, that's pretty much everything is over here. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to get back over here. That's it. This is the GitHub repository. I'm going to replace. So I'm just going to get into your repository and copy this link and paste it over here. Right? That's pretty much done everything. So let's save these changes, get back over here, changes, let's say readme.md file, update it, click commit, click here, pull or push to, click it, and there we go. See, that's it. So instead of keeping as a plain project, you can now give an official documentation for the user so they can understand reading and go through it about what exactly this project is all about. So this is how you have to maintain your GitHub, your project, so the interviewer can that you know the stuff. that you stand alone from among the bunch of peoples when you're trying to attend the interview with the different peoples, right? So I hope you enjoy the sessions. I'll see you in the next section.